This video I'm going to demonstrate onto what are charts in Excel. Basically, charts is a tool that allows you to visually display data in a variety of different charts. A graphical, a visual display of data, like in formats like bar graph, column graphs, pie graphs, line graphs, areas. Okay, so here your data is given raw figures and facts and figures, and how do we visually represent this data so that it becomes more, looking at a picture, it becomes more, we can, our mind visualizes pictures better than figures. So looking at these figures, it shows this data over here. It shows how many monitors were sold. It is the sale of items in different years. Okay, so monitors, 20 monitors were sold in 2012, 34 monitors were sold in 2013, 12 in 2014, and so forth. So like this, data for different items have been collected. Now, looking at this data, it is not so uh, uh, it is not so, the display is not so mm, appealing to us. So what we can do is we have to convert this given data to a format that is more appealing to us, which gives you more information. Okay, so now how do we do it? The first task that we have to do is we have to tabulate data that is to be given. So I have tabulated all the data. I've already done it in Excel. I have created a table wherein I have taken column A, column B, column C, column D, and column E. I have put a border for every the all the columns and the rows. And this first column is giving the items that have been sold in the year 2012, in the year 2013, in the year 2014, and 2015. Now, how do I convert it to a chart format? Step 1, I need to select the data that I need to tabulate, okay, that I need to convert to a chart. So I select the data. Step 2, I go to insert. Now over here in insert, you can see there is chart, and there are different types of charts that are visible here. You have a line chart, column. Okay, let's go for the chart first one. Create a chart. You can go over here directly and insert a column. This is a column chart. You can select the format that you want. I'm selecting the first one. So now directly the chart appears to you. Now looking at the chart, you know the values. So 2012, it was giving you a color code. For monitors, it is blue color. For printers, it is orange. Laptops, it is gray. And yellow for your desktop computers. Okay. So 2012, the numbers, the values are varying. And as per the numbers, they're tabulating it. And they've created a bar graph for us, a column graph, you can see. So now looking at this, we can actually compare the values. Looking at the picture format, we know when there was a rise, when there was a fall. So accordingly, we can, when you look at numbers, we actually have to hunt. But over here in this picture, it becomes very appealing. We can actually compare the values year-wise. Okay, this is one way. So over here, we can go and change the chart title. Just double click over here. You can give the name for the chart. So here I say items sold in different years. So this chart is giving me the items sold in different years. Now, using the same values, I can create another chart also. Again, all I have to do is select the values again, go back to insert. This time I can try for a pie chart. Okay, the same data can be represented using different charts. Items sold during sold in different years. Okay, now keeping this aside, closing this. Now when I click on a particular chart, you get these options over here. You can go and change the style, the format items over here. Say you want the X's, you want the data labels, you want data labels will give you the numbers on it. Okay, so you can add this, you can delete this what you don't want. Okay, now the second type is the style. So when I click over here, you can change the look of it. Okay, the appearance keeps changing and there are different options. Likewise for this chart also, you can go over here. The appearance keeps changing. So these are two examples of a chart. So first thing what we need to do is we need to get the data that is to be tabulated, the data that needs to be evaluated and converted to a chart. And depending upon the values, then we can select the chart that we want, whether we want a column chart, whether we want a pie chart. Okay. So over here, we can also have a line chart. So I can select this data. I go to insert. There is an option of line chart also. So here you have a line chart also. 1 minute. A line chart looks something like this. So the blue color is representing the monitor. So it is showing you the rise and fall in the sales of this item. Then you also have the printer, that is the orange color, which is showing the rise and fall. Likewise the desktop computer, which shows a peak and then a fall. And over here again you can change the title of the chart. Okay. Kindly try this practical during your after your classes. Try it out and send the file to me either through a screenshot or you can send the file directly on WhatsApp.